Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will learn different types of electricity meters, single phase, three phase meters, digital meters, smart meter. Also we see LTCT type meters. Then we see main readings or parameters. Then common meters connection as well. Then at last we see working principle of electricity meter or energy meters. So let's start it. Electricity meter or energy meter or power meter, all are same. These meters is basically used to measure the amount of electrical energy consumed by residents, business or electrically powered device. These about the energy meters or electric meters. So now go for types of electricity meters. So basically there are five types: analog electromechanical meter, digital electronic meter, then smart meter, then prepaid meter, then three phase meter. So we see one by one. So in analog electromechanical meter, it has mechanical counters and a spinning disc, so we called it as electromechanical. This meter measures energy in kilowatt hours. Then it is common in older homes. With older homes we generally use those electromechanical or analog meters. So now come to the digital electronic meters. So it displays reading on LCD screen. It is more accurate and easier to read and can record real-time power uses as well. So these are the digital and modern meters, digital electronics meters. Then we go for smart meter. So smart meters sends readings automatically to the power companies. It supports two-way communication. It can show hourly or daily uses on apps or websites also. Then it helps to detect faults and power thefts also. So smart meter is the future of our current meters, electricity meters, because smart meter it sends or it give the readings automatically, support two-way communication. It also find the faults or defects or power thefts also. Then we see the prepaid meter. So it works like a prepaid mobile phone. So user recharge balance before using electricity. When balance is over, power supply cuts off. So these are the prepaid meter. These are installed in big cities now. Smart meter also government is going to install this. Then we go for three phase meter. So it is used in industrial or large residential setups also. So it measures three phase supply like R, Y, B phases. Three phase meter consists of three phases, so it we called it as a three phase meter because it measures three phase supply R, Y, B phases. It can be LTCT type, means LTCT means low tension current transformer or high load connections. So these LTCT types or low tension current transformers, these are the high load connections in three phase meters. So all those about these types of electricity meters. Then we go for main readings or parameters. So here kWh, kilowatt per hour. So total energy consumed we can calculate by kWh, kilowatt per hour. Then kVA or power factor, it indicates how efficiently power is used. That's why we these readings we can calculate in kVA, sorry, power factor. Then current voltage, these are real time electrical parameters. Then lead, kW is kilowatt load in kW, so instantaneous power usage we can calculate by kW. Then we go for common meters connection. So normally two types of connection in our homes or small shops, then all factories and large building heavy machineries. There are particular three phase supply. So single phase 230 volt for homes and small shops we can use. Then three phase 415 volts It's for factories, large buildings, and heavy machinery. So these are the two common connections: single phase 2 for 230 volt and three phase for 415 volts. So these are about the common meter connections. So now we go for working principle of electricity meters or energy meters. So in some simple terms, electricity meters work on principle of measuring of product of voltage and current over time. So we can calculate electrical energy kWh is equal to power kilowatt into time hours, where power is kilowatt and power is the nothing but voltage V by current by power factor. So these are the simple calculation to calculate electrical energy kWh power into times. So electricity meters continuously monitor voltage current, right? So we can calculate energy like voltage current and times and power factors. So there are so many meter connections like electromechanical induction type meters, then digital energy meters. They have different power factors. So smart meters have different power factors. So key components is voltage coil, current coil, resistor, micro controllers, display. These are the key components. Aluminum disc, ADC. Then output unit we have kilowatt per hour, kVh appreciation energy, then kVAH. So these are some output units also. So basically key components are voltage coil, current coil, aluminum disc, ADC, resistors, microcontrollers, and displays. These are key components in this meter. The smart meters have same working principle, but the power factor is different. Their use is GPRS, RF, GSM. So these are some modern meters working principle as well. So in this video we saw the electricity meters, their types, their main readings parameters, common meter connections as well, working principle also. So thanks, that's it.